Hi there, my name's Ken. I am a computer engineer by trade, and I have a tendency to dabble in electronics quite a bit because that is actually my engineering background. So, over the years, I've had a number of cell phones, Apple cell phones to be exact, even a few Moto X's, Droids, and a few others. And over the years, as things progress, we all have a tendency to damage our goods and shatter screens, crack screens, drop our phones, sit on our phones, you name it, it happens. Every time I've ordered from RepairPartsPlus. Their service has been fantastic, their shipping has been exemplary, and the parts have always, and I mean always, worked. Never had one fail, never had an issue, never had to return one. I guess the key boils down to preparation, and finish preparation. So what I mean by that is prep your job site, prep yourself, and when you're done and you're finished with the project, make sure the preparation for use of the new device or refurbished device or repaired device is all correct. In other words, all parts are in place, there's no extras, and there's none lying around. Make sure it works. And don't blame Repair Parts Plus because they're doing their job. Well done, Repair Parts Plus. Over and out.